is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device. The station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially filter receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
Even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order, the warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Coven, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike and Schuylkill, Edmond, New Jersey, Hunterdon, Worcester, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Delaware, Montgomery and Philadelphia, in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth and Salem, in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay, and in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Delaware Valley, station KIH 28 from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Frequency of 162.475 megahertz.
NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards warning device. Situations from San Diego to Little Lake with about 40 nautical miles. Raritan Bay. Hazards. Station WXM 16 Southard, Allentown, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Yay!